Hello there. I'm Sachita Vimalavira. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant from Ardent Immigration. Welcome to our channel. If you are interested in settling in Canada, I'm sure you have been doing so much of research as to how to start the process, how long it's gonna be take, and also how much the money that you need. And also I'm convinced that during the research you may have come across various videos, various articles regarding this. So during this video I need to bring you information on three main topics. The first one, why you need an immigration consultant for your immigration process. Secondly, how to find a qualified immigration consultant. Third point, to line up few points that you might need when you dealing with the immigration consultant while avoiding fraudsters. So now we'll talk about why you need an immigration consultant. As straightforward as it may seem to submit your application, if the things does not fall in place, it may be lead to a rejection of the application. Then it will take more time and more money to reapply. When you get an immigration consultants are appointed after successful completion of a period of study and followed by their competency evaluated at a competitive examination. Therefore, immigration consultants are eligible in order to represent the client, to advise clients, and also to help you regarding your immigration process. Not only that, after becoming an immigration consultant, there are certain programs that you need to follow every year. Then the immigration consultants are updated always regarding new immigration news. This is the difference between an immigration consultant and another person who are not regulated by the ICCRC. Not only the immigration consultant, you can find the immigration lawyer, and also if you are applying for immigration in Quebec, you can find a Notary Public. Therefore, we always recommend to find an immigration consultant in order to process your application. Second topic that we're going to talk about here is how do you choose an immigration consultant. You have to keep in mind from the immigration authorities, mainly there are three types of professionals has been recognized. Immigration consultant who are regulated, and also the immigration lawyers. If your application is regarding Quebec, Notary Public. When you dealing with an immigration consultant, immigration lawyer, or a Notary Public, you need to know whether that person has the active status. How you going to find whether that person has active status? If it is regarding the immigration consultant, when you go to ICCRC website under the public registry, you can check whether that person has active status. If you are dealing with the immigration lawyer or a Notary Public, when you go to those specific websites, specific law societies websites, you can put information and you can check whether that person has active status. We always recommend the clients should deal with the immigration consultant, immigration lawyers, or the Notary Public who has the active status, because only those professionals who has active status are knowledgeable, up to date. The third topic that we're going to talk about is how to avoid fraudsters. You have to keep in mind, as much as it is important selecting an immigration consultant, it is very important to have a very close conduct regarding and a thorough inquiry with your immigration consultant regarding all the steps that you're going to follow in your immigration process. This would give you a peace of mind after you submit your application. Not only that, especially regarding success of your immigration dream and the security of the money and the time you spent. So let me walk you through a few subtopics that you will need when you're dealing with immigration consultant and when you're continuing your business with the immigration consultant. The first thing is the documentation. Once you select an immigration consultant, like I said, the immigration consultant should send you a retainer agreement, even though that immigration consultant do the business for no cost. That retainer agreement specifically mention all the terms and the condition. Not only the terms and the condition, how much you should pay, how much cost it's gonna take to your immigration process, and at what point that you should make those payments. And also that immigration consultant and the client should sign that retainer agreement, and you should make sure you keep a copy of the retainer agreement with you for your future reference. Second subtopic that I need to bring your attention is the payment. When you doing the payment, you should not do the cash payments. You should always send money through a bank. In that way, you have your own records for the future reference. And also all the payments should be made in a way that's set out in the retainer agreement. At any point, if an immigration consultant acting outside the retainer agreement, you have the freedom to question him. The third subtopic that I need to bring your attention is the mode of communication. We always recommend our clients to do all the communication through email, because in this way the client and also for the consultant, both parties have the references and also all the communications and all the details they have been exchanged. So these are the main three things that you need when you are selecting and when you continuously dealing with the immigration consultant. Those three topics are the documentation, especially the retainer agreement. The consultant and the client, they both should act according to the retainer agreement. If any point client or the immigration consultant is acting out of the retainer agreement, either party has an freedom and the ability to question. Payment should be made according to the retainer agreement, and all the communication should do through the email. So if you find this video useful, like us, subscribe to our channel. We expect to keep you posted all the information that you need regarding migrating to Canada. And also you can visit our website and our Facebook page as well. Again, this is Sachara Vimalavira, registered Canadian immigration consultant from Ardent Immigration. See you again with another interesting video very soon, and stay safe.